I can't believe Kaiber has changed so much, but it's looking very exciting. So we're going to explore it today. So Kaiber was an old, not that old, it's probably about a year and a half, a company that really took Deforum, the moving, swirling videos, usually used for music, and made them famous, really. I think it was one of the really first companies to really make it an amazing product and did some massive videos. But now they've completely changed that and completely ditched Deforum totally and are doing something different. Let's have a look at what they're doing. Blended creation. I think I like it. So let's have a look right now. So this is Kaiber, as in Kaiber crystals. We've just been through. So let's log in and show you what it's like. So the idea is, as with other companies that I won't mention, the idea is to take various AI tools, put them together and get the best out of all of them and enable yourself to create something over and over again in a workflow to enable you to create stuff faster, better, easier, and everything else. This is the Superstudio playground. And I'm just briefly going to walk you through. I'm not going to create much here. I'm just going to show you the idea and if it's going to be for you to see whether you can logically go through this and do it. It looks kind of comfy UI-ish, doesn't it? But let's have a look at what it's doing here. So we've got a couple of things here. This is the opening. Let's just move it down. Welcome to Superstudio Playground. So we've got an image creation flow and we've got an output there, and we've got a video creation flow and an output there. So let's just have a look at the first one here. Go in a bit. Oh, too much. Connection is terrible here. So you've got the subject, which you can also drop an image, a stencil. So I guess this is like an indication of what you're going to get. Aesthetic, organic nature, 1960s collage, cinematic, and then create these. Now, my thought is that we're going to get something very soon that can really create the script, the image, and the video. There are lots of companies now doing this, but it's still a bit clunky. And again, with this, we're finding blending all of these companies together is actually kind of getting to be more logical. So is this the future? Is this how we're going to create movies and ads and stuff in the future? Or is there just going to be one product that does them all? I don't know. I like this idea. Let's have a look at the video. So subject, aspect ratio, custom, loop video no, start keyframe, and then end keyframe. Then we go over here. Then we get the output. What do you think? Is it any good? Is it going to be for you? Does it really make a difference? Let's do a new canvas and then show you what else is inside there. So you've got my flow, so you can create your own flows, of course. And then you've got core flows, which basically are the fundamentals here. So we've got Luma, we've got Runway because we've got APIs, we've got Kling Standard, Kling Pro, and then Minimax. And then we've got Flux, of course, Image Lab, Video Restyle, Image Enhancer, Profile Picture Restyle, and Logo Restyle. So let's just go Runway. And then you can see what we're here. So let's put Cyborg in London. Seconds. You can go from an image. Should we do that? No, let's not do that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's go from image. Let's see if I can find an image here. That's not what I'm looking for. I'm looking for my images down here. Just move them all around. Let's have a look. Might even be in there. Let's have a look. Let's do this one. Okay, and then it tells you how much it is. Let's click on that, which is the thing that tells me that it's going to work. So what you can do here is then you can pick up the little connector there, and then we could have flux in there. So let's just upgrade for more canvases. We get 3. So let's go to the flow menu. Let's flux there. You kind of get the idea of what we're doing. Okay, so then you can see that we're basically Cyborg in London. Aspect ratio 69, width, height, that's fine. Check that one. And you can see how this would, did we link it up? Let's just do that. Did I do it properly? Oh, there's 2 there. I put 2, but it's fine. It's fine. It gives you the idea. So what we can do is click that to that. And then can't do it. Can't do it, can I? Doesn't matter. You get the idea. So you can have a workflow. I'd like to play with this more, but you can have a workflow where idea or script, I would say, going through the workflow and then creating your image and then creating your video. As always, Flux comes out with a super duper. Let's have a go in here. Connection's terrible. I won't even try, but let's go back to me and then finalize what we're thinking of. So really, is it going to be any good? Is it going to help you? Is it going to make it slower or faster? At the moment, I'm creating scripts in ChatGPT, prompts from there, working from those prompts, putting those prompts into a image generator, and then creating video. The great thing about this is you've got a couple of generators for images, all the generators that have APIs right now that are decent for the video. Is it going to save you some time? I'd like to have a go with it. I've got a few credits on there, so I'm going to have a go and see if I can get it to produce what I want. But I like the idea. I think it's this blended model. Is it going to be the future? And does it mean that finally we can see the prices come down on some of the generations? And is it going to be a bit of a war when we see all the other generators? We've got Sora, we've got Meta coming out, we've got FreePic coming out, we've got Firefly coming out. There's a lot more. So very interesting. So I'll be interested in what you think. Would you use this? Is it for you? Is it not for you? I'd like to know. And thanks very much for watching. And I'd love to see you on the next one. Thanks again.